Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send Discord voice message on your PC. So if you open up Discord and you have logged into your Discord account here, so you'll notice that unfortunately there is no option to send voice messages on the PC version. So what you can do as a workaround, if you want to send voice messages, you can simply use your voice recorder from your PC. So for example, use your voice recorder from your PC, just open it up and then just record the voice message that you want to share or send. So just record that up and then save it on your PC. So when you record it and save it on a PC, so once you have done with that, so now what you can do, so you've got the voice message on your PC, you've recorded it. So if you want to like share that, then hit on these, go to the server where you want to save it, where you want to share it or send it, and then hit on this plus option here and then click on upload a file. Just click that on and then now select the audio file that you just recorded. So whatever the audio file is that you just recorded, so select that, for example here. So just select any, click on open, so select it up. So now it's being uploaded, and once you're done, then hit on send, and that's it, you'll be able to send it. So this is how you can send voice message on Discord on the PC version, as there is no built-in function for it. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.